Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm making because I came up with a situation that I wanted to talk with some kind of AI LLM to help me with. So I was on a hilly area trekking on the mountain. So I wanted to talk with AI to help me how to set up a camp on a mountain covered with trees, water streams. So in this video, I'm gonna show you if you don't have any internet connection on your laptop, then how you can talk with AI. So this is the terminal and I'm already talking with AI in this terminal. You can see that at the top, I'm not connected with internet. My Wi-Fi is turned off, but still I'll be able to speak it up. So in this terminal, you can see that I'm going to write hi and it's going to reply me. I just want to do random chit chat. All right, you can see that it is replying me. Can you tell me something funny? All right, so it's speaking to me and I was able to speak with it and I was able to set up a camp on a mountain. So I'm going to show you how to set this up on your laptop when you don't have an internet connection. So I'm going to use a very famous tool that's called Ollama, and we can install it in our system. I'm using Mac, but we can install it in the Windows as well. So in the Mac or in the Linux, we can also download the Ollama as a desktop application as well. I'm going to show you how you can use Ollama as a desktop application rather than using a terminal, and you can directly select any kind of model, any kind of LLM to set this up. First of all, you need to copy this one and you just need to come to any kind of terminal and you just need to paste that up. And once it gets installed, first of all, let me end this. And if I just paste this command, I need to hit enter and it's automatically going to get installed in my system. So let me clear this out. I'm going to write Ollama and you can see that it is showing the version of Ollama that I have installed in my system. It means that it is already installed. That's why I haven't hit enter by pasting this command. Okay, you need to complete the installation process in your system. So we can chat with the model. We can launch Claude Code, Anthropic coding tool with sub agents, and we can launch Codex. We can launch OpenClaw. I will be creating a separate video about OpenClaw. This is an amazing tool with 100 plus skills. It's a kind of agentic framework. It's not an LLM. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to write escape. Now, in order to install any kind of LLM model in your local system, you know that every LLM have a size. So we need to be very careful that how much space we have available in our system. Some kind of models are up to GBs or 1 terabyte as well. And usually in our local system, we don't have that much space. But the model which I ran was Llama 3 and its size was around 5 GB. And I was able to install it in my local system in my Mac because I only need the LLM offline for random discussion. Obviously, it will not be able to go through internet and find the latest information, latest news, but the random knowledge, general knowledge, it will be able to help me out with. Okay, so we can go to the models. Okay, I'm not connected to internet. Let me turn off on my Wi-Fi. Okay, so it should be turned on. Yeah, it's on. Now you can see that I'm in the models and there are a lot of models. You need to choose according to your requirement which model you need to install. You can install the DeepSeek or you can install any other model. Coder model. Its size is quite big, but it's up to you. If you have a space, you can install it. So how to install any kind of model? In order to install any kind of model, you need to write, let me add, so Ollama, you need to write a pull command. And if you write a pull command, let me copy Quen3. So Quen3, and I'm going to hit enter. So it's going to show me the size of this model before pulling this. So now you can see that its size is 5.2. Not that big, but you can install it. I'm not going to install it because Llama 3 is helping me really well. But this is how you can install it. And now after installation, you can just use Ollama run and the name of the model, and it will start running. If I hit enter, you can see that I can start talking with it, hi, and it's going to respond to me. It's running locally. It will be able to answer to me without internet connection as well. And in order to end this up, I need to write / and by. In order to remove any particular model from my system, I need to write Ollama and RM. RM means remove, and then I can write Llama 3. It will be removed from my system and free up the space. In order to see all the models, so I'll hit enter. So these are the two models which are installed in my system. I installed it 4 days ago. I'm using these models Ollama in my other system for a few months now, and in this system I just installed these two 4 days ago, and these are pretty well working when I don't have internet connection. In order to let me run one of the model, and in order to stop it, so let me write by, and in order to fully stop, when we write by, it will be keep on running in the background, but in order to really stop it, I need to write a stop command. So llama 3, and now it's going to be really stopped behind the scenes. Okay, so these are the basic commands that we can actually use. Let's see if I click on any of these models, it will take us to another screen, and you can see that we have multiple ways to use this particular model. We can use it with the CLI, and we can directly just copy paste this in any terminal. It will start rolling down and start giving us the response, and we can configure it with Python. Okay, we can use it with the JavaScript. If we are building an application, we want to use any particular model through Ollama API, then we can use this kind of tools. And these are the coin models that we can use. And these are the basic commands which I've already shown you: run, poll, stop, RM, in order to remove it. Okay, and then these are the applications which are capable of using these models, right? So now let me show you the desktop app. This is the desktop app that you can download, and using this desktop app, you can actually download any of these models. And with this particular desktop app, I was able to download this model, this one, DeepSeek R1. So I need to select it, and I can simply write hi. So it's going to respond me quickly. This is offline, and if I just turn off my Wi-Fi, it will still be able to respond me. Just want to do chit chat, so it should be able to respond to me. And it's right now my Wi-Fi is turned on, but if I turn it off, it will be able to. So same commands which I just showed you over here, we can use these. I will be creating a separate OpenClaw video. It is quite useful with 100 plus skills, and with Ollama we can actually just launch the Claude as well. I will be talking about that. So that was a short video. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So I would suggest you guys, if you have a space in your system, let's set this up. Who knows that there is no Wi-Fi, and you might need to talk with AI and take help from it for any kind of emergency. So I'll be creating much longer videos as well in the upcoming days, like how to build a full stack application with just vibe coding, setting up MCP third-party tools, open clause, and configuring multiple applications all together. So in these days, we are more like an architecture of the software rather than a full-time coder or a programmer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.